Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing some of my favorite products, shampoos, conditioners, oils, serums. These are products that are ranging between 200 to about 800. But here I just want to share some of my favorites, some products that I have been using which are already over. I just wanted to share some of my favorite products with y'all. So let's get started. So for shampoos, I have three here. These two are for colored hair, and then I also have this shampoo here, which to my surprise is amazing. I've been using this for the last 2 months now. I love how the shampoo makes my hair feel, like it really makes it soft. It has keratin and yogurt in it, and it is only priced at rupees 165 for such a big bottle. And if you have colored hair, you guys can use either of these shampoos. This is the Sur Expert Vitamino Color by L'Oreal. For colored hair, this is one of the bottles and shampoos that I'll always recommend. And then we have the Wella Professional Brilliant Shampoo for colored hair. Even this one was super amazing for colored hair. Made my hair really soft, it made it look vibrant. Didn't make it dry at all. So this is another shampoo that I can recommend if you guys have colored hair. Now another range of products that are really nice are by Matrix Large. Again, this is by L'Oreal. I have used the shampoos by this range. Again, it is very affordable. It is between 200 to 500. Very good shampoos and conditioners. So you guys can check out that range. Okay, now for conditioners and masks, I have two here. This is by Sunsilk. Again, this makes my hair super soft. This one is only for 140 rupees. This has keratin and yogurt in it. Works wonderfully well. So this is something that I can recommend if you guys don't have colored hair. If you guys have colored hair, definitely go in for the Sur Expert Vitamino Color by L'Oreal. This is about 845. But it'll last you long. It is in a gel sort of consistency, so it does not wear your hair down at all. Now especially with the summer, you want to use something light. Again, this gives 100% color protection. It will make your color last longer, make it look vibrant. So if you guys have colored hair, you can definitely give Sur Expert Vitamino Color a shot. And again, Matrix Large, this one also has really good conditioners in it. Like I mentioned, for the shampoos also, you can check out the same range of conditioners in this. So for hair serums, I have these two. Both of them have been my favorite. Now this one is my favorite from the Bblunt Haircare range. It has avocado, jojoba, argan oils and vitamin E. I am completely done with it. I have used this up. Now this serum is light. You can use this for an everyday basis, something that you want to indulge your hair with every day. This is only for 500 rupees, so very affordable. You guys should definitely give this one a shot and try it out. So the second one is the Matrix Large 6-in-1 serum. In case if you have thick hair, frizzy hair, rebellious hair, unmanageable hair, you guys can give this one a shot. Again, this range of products are very affordable, work very well. So this in particular is really nice. It has avocado in it, but this is only for 295 rupees. It really lasts long. So if you have frizzy, uncontrollable hair, definitely give this serum a shot. So for hair oil, I try a lot of different oils. I mix oils, I make my own oils at home. If you guys want to see all of those videos, I'm gonna just attach my hair care playlist somewhere here, so you guys can probably watch it. This one is by Satwa. Now this one has a lot of these oils mixed: almond oil, castor oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, amla oil, jojoba, vitamin E and olive oil. So I prefer using this because everything is just mixed into one bottle. I'm almost done with this also. This is retailed at $5.99, but you can also try different oils like coconut oil, castor oil. Watch my playlist, you will see all of those videos here. In case you want to make something of your own, you can definitely do that. Or I highly recommend you guys try the Satwa Premium Hair Oil. So for hairsprays, I have two of them here. Now with this one is the Schwarzkopf Taft Shine Hair Lacquer Mega Strong. This one gives you extreme hold. So use this in case you're doing an updo and you want it to stay or if you have a very long night and you want your hairstyle to stay, because this does make your hair a little stiff. Use it from a distance. This one retails for about $3.95, very affordable for a big bottle like this. So if you want something that gives you extreme hold, you can definitely give Schwarzkopf Daft a try. And the second one is again one of my favorite products, the Bblunt Spotlight Hair Polish for instant shine. This one actually is used for shine, but I actually use this even just to sort of style my hair. But if you want something that gives shine for an everyday basis and also like sort of keeps your hair in place, you can definitely try the Bblunt Spotlight Hair Polish. So for dry shampoo, I have these two. This one in particular I like more because it does not leave a whitish film at all. This also adds volume in your hair. Very affordable for about 550 rupees. Batiste is again another brand you guys can use, but it does sort of make my scalp itch. I don't know why, and when I scratch my scalp after that, I find a lot of whitish residue coming out. With the Bblunt ones, I didn't find it, and that is why I am sharing these two products with y'all. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I am gonna try lots more products, so I can probably try it and review it for y'all. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, please hit on the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!